If you want to change theme on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to themes. Over here, once you open Galaxy themes, of course the access to the Galaxy themes might be locked behind a Samsung account, so you might need to use a Samsung account to access the app. We want to tap on continue if that is needed, and then here in themes we should be able to search for a theme that you wish to use on your phone. Many of them are actually paid, but we should be able to switch, for example, to the top option, and then here on the left side we can switch from all to free, so you can see only the free content. And now we can try to find a theme that you might want to use. So let's see what we would like to use. Let's say I want to use this theme over here. So I can just tap on the download here at the bottom of the screen. And then once it is ready to be used, I can tap on apply. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to enjoy our new theme. And that is pretty much it. If you're looking for more guides for Samsung Galaxy A37, then be sure to check out my channel, leave a like and subscribe.